Hey guys, so now I'm up here waiting on my mechanic. He finna come back out here to see about this leak. And while he over here, I'm gonna try to get him to check out my wheel barriers and see if we can test ride that. But I don't have $300 more to fix that, and then more money to fix the check engine light again. It's just too much. You have to have thousands and thousands of dollars in the damn bank. I mean, literally 20 grand to take care of all this shit. Literally. And I don't have it. I done blew through all my goddamn proceeds and I'm pissed off, man. Please donate, guys. If y'all see this video, y'all acting like I'm asking y'all for $100, $200. If y'all got $5, $2, $3, $1, donate any amount, and it'll be in the description box below this video. All the ways to donate. So do whatever you can. And like I said, the links will be below this video, all the ways to donate. So I'm up here waiting on him because he has to fix my leak thing, and there's something wrong with it. Now that I was managed to get it off, it's still kind of leaking a little bit, like dripping just a little, but not much. So I'm not really sure at this point what's going on, because right now it's not doing anything when I kind of tested it out, but it might do it again like later on, like how it does when I think I fixed it. So now I'm waiting on him to come or whatever so I can get this straightened out, and then I'm gonna try to see if he can look at my car too, my wheel barriers. But he already told me that's gonna be like 300, which is a cheap one because he's gonna include both. But what I wanted to talk to y'all about, I was listening to Full Spectrum, trying to keep up with what's going on in the economy and how it's gonna start affecting people here in America. He was talking about how more and more of the AI technology is taking over jobs, which everybody already see that. Like when you go in Walmart, they pretty much got rid of all the clerk checkouts. Everything is self checkout now, literally. So they pretty much cleared that out. Pretty much when you go to certain restaurants, they pretty much, you can't even, actually Taco Bell years ago when I went in there, they already got AI and then took over their stuff. The workers just pretty much cook the food. They just don't have robots cooking the food yet. But what they do is they make you go to the robot to do your order. So they pretty much, he was pretty much saying it's some more things of the AI that they're doing, and it's finna be pretty much taking over all the jobs, and people finna be laid off with no job. I was listening to Tommy Bites, and she was telling us that too. She said that they was getting like robots to operate the 18-wheeler trucks that be on the highway. So man, it's getting crazy out here. That's why I hurry up and just got into this type of lifestyle, and then got my generator and all that I needed to just get ahead of the shit. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna make this video short. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.